Before I learned her name,
nii et enne kui ma õppisin tundma tema nime,
I just called her Sister Isaiah.
ma lihtsalt ütlesin ta kohta, et õde Jesaja.
So would you give Sister Isaiah welcome
Kas te
tonight?
tervitate?
Oh, take it all. Thank you, sister. That was word of wisdom. You keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Amen.
I was just praying and asking the Lord,
Ja me lihtsalt palusime ja palusime Jumalalt,
what word would I have for
Mis-
this people?
mis sõna mul oleks nende inimeste jaoks.
And this is what he would say.
Ja see oleks see, mida tema ütleks.
I love you
Ma
all
armastan teid
very much.
kõiki väga.
I will take you as deep in me
Sügaval minu südames.
as you want to go.
Kui sügavale iganes te tahate mu südamesse minna,
I will reveal as much to you
siis ma ilmutaks teile nii palju,
as you open yourself to me.
et te avaksite iseennast minule.
You walk in times that are hard.
Need käimisajad on rasked,
But the Lord is with you.
aga issand on teiega.
And if we quiet ourselves,
Ja kui me nüüd jääme vaite,
he will whisper in your ear
siis tema sosistaks teie kõrva
and he will tell you which way to go.
ja ta ütleks teile, kus suunas minna.
He will meet every need.
Ta täidab iga vajaduse.
I know that Estonia has gone through hard times.
Ma tean, et Eestimaa on läbi käinud rasketest aegadest.
America is headed for her hard times.
Aga Ameerika seisab vastakuti praegu raskete aegadega.
Stay faithful to God.
Olge ustavad Jumalale.
Appreciate what God has done for your country.
Hinnake seda, mida Jumal on teinud teie riigis.
Don't let your faith in God be mixed with mixture.
Ärge laske oma usul teie sees seguneda. Ärge laske sellel seguks muutuda.
Stay clean and pure before him.
Jääge puhtaks tema ees.
And he will be glorified.
Ja tema saab austatud.
And Estonia will be changed.
Ja Eestimaa saab muudetud.
I love you all.
Ma armastan teid kõiki.
Pray for America.
Paluge Ameerika pärast.
And I want you to know I believe
Ja ma tahan, et te teaksite, et ma usun,
that God is here tonight
et Jumal on siin täna õhtul
to do a special work,
tegemaks ühte erilist tööd,
to speak to you personally,
et rääkida sinu vastu isiklikult,
to touch your bodies,
et puuduta teie ihusid
and restore those of you that are broken inside.
ja taastada neid, kes te olete lõhutud sisemiselt.
I love you.
Ma armastan teid.
I want you to love me.
Ma sooviksin, et te
Because
armastaksite
we
ka
love
mind,
him.
sest meie armastame teda.
Amen.
Amen.